Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning the alphabet in Spanish, or el alfabeto. We are going to go over every letter and the pronunciation. We are also going to learn some important facts about the Spanish alphabet. After this, you guys will go on to watch two different videos. There is a Spanish rap video or just a Spanish song about the ABCs, so you guys can listen to those, and those will help you learn the Spanish alphabet. You guys should be following along with the worksheet provided in Google Classroom. I will say each letter and then I'll pause so that you can say each letter out loud. So let's go ahead and get started. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, A, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that is it for the Spanish alphabet. When you are learning these, this is something that you need to memorize. You will have to do a video on this of yourself saying the alphabet in the upcoming weeks. So please make sure that you are practicing the alphabet. You guys can go back through this video and pause it at any time after the letters and learn the pronunciations. So now we're going to move forward with some important facts about the Spanish alphabet. So the first one is that we only have 3 double letters in Spanish. So we have LL, RR, and CC. So those are the only 3 double letters in Spanish. The next fact is that instead of using PH like we do in English, they use the letter F. So wherever there would be a PH in the English word, in the Spanish word we are going to replace that with an F. A good example is telephone. It is normally spelled T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. In Spanish, it's teléfono. So instead of having the PH, we are going to replace that with an F. An important one is that the H is a silent letter. So notice when we say the word hola, we don't say hola, we just say hola. This is because H is always silent. Our next one is that J sounds like the English letter H. So if we pronounce J in Spanish, it is jota. So you can see it sounds like the letter H. Same thing goes with Q sounding like the letter K. So remember, Q is Q. Another fact is that the letters C and G change their sound depending on the following vowel. So depending upon which vowel comes after the letter will depend upon how the letter is pronounced. For example, we have 2 different words. We have generoso versus gato. So notice in generoso, the G sounds like an H because the E is following it. But in the word gato, it sounds like a normal G sound because there is an A following it. The next fact is that the letters S, C, and Z sound alike. So depending on the word, it may be hard to hear, but they are all different letters, so you need to know the spelling of the words because, again, they can all sound similar when they are pronounced. W and K are almost never used in the Spanish language. These letters, I should say, are taken from other languages, so they aren't really used at all. Another one is that each vowel only has one sound. So unlike the English language, where you can have a short vowel or a long vowel, in Spanish, each one only has one sound. Next is that the letters B and V sound alike. So we have B and B. So they sound almost similar, almost exactly the same. So again, these two have very similar sounds. Our last one is that accent marks fall on your vowels. So they are never going to be on your consonants. So remember, your vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So if it is not one of those letters, it will not have an accent on it. So that is it for the alphabet in Spanish, as well as your important facts. Again, you should be filling this in on your worksheet located in Google Classroom. Now you guys can move on to the next step.